institutions that don't work 24/7. So nyama bebre why you can't do it round the clock. President Mahama said no. And nyama na be good port. Or mind bia say person port here a destination for nyam. Not even surrounding countries in nyama far instead of Togo. Our port must be efficient. So be back port near to me clear. Almost a man mine try and wish no because they know our port is efficient. Ubia the nyama beden ebe fifa. So we will get them a port to work 24/7, including weekends. 3 shifts.
Same as passport office.
So that time will be you can clear your container. And agree you can clear. A better traffic across on motorways so I told the accident by a cargo be a minute to Hana block coin. Because we'll be better and I do traffic be anyone who are clear idea. And how much no are clear idea. It is a passport office, I can say port honor, nipa 10,000 a year where you man. And also by adding 2 shifts, and yet nipa 30,000.
Security home.
Share documents in women number 1.
Okay.
President Mahama said, you cannot have a 24-hour economy without security.
Okay.
And you know, and we ban any priority under 24-hour economy. Oko London, they have a 24-hour economy strategy. They prioritize security. Oko Sydney, all those countries, they prioritize security.
Okay. What
are we going to do? Or say currently, Ghana Police Service in Kuano, for them to be able to provide security for 24-hour economy, now was here fact. I'm into the police service 25,000.
Okay.
So what is that? 25,000.
Okay.
Already, police know what deficit that.
Yeah.
And so now 24-hour economy, the 25,000. Massa, until we are now police acquire. This is the hope for you.
Okay.
And you are not going to be employed now to buying in the private and public institutions running 24/7.
Okay.
And President Mahama said it will not just be police, it will be public-private security architecture.
Okay.
And the security companies almost behind so and deploy them on the streets, deploy them to all the institutions, the companies running 24/7. Oh yeah, Juma 24/7. Unsro enko yet say mobile money buy yema am robbers man for collapse. You see, apart from the public institutions, I can give you many examples like DVLA, just like passport service, like customs. But I found private.
Yeah.
Sure.